So another wonderful introduction from Zhongshan Canlux lighting manufacturer. And the next one is from Foshan Snat Energy Electrical Technology Company, and also our the last one in today's factory tour. And welcome to Foshan Snat Energy Electrical. Hello, hi.
Hello, hello.
Hi, I'm
Sabrina.
Jane.
Hello,
Hello,
nice
I'm
to
Jane.
meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What's your name, please?
Sabrina.
Sabrina. Wow,
Yeah,
great name. Hi, Sabrina. How are you?
fine. And you?
Oh, good. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Actually, today, like a 7 hours for on live broadcasting. A little bit tired, but so happy to meet you. And thank you for waiting there because I know it's almost like a 6 p.m. and you are still waiting for our special event show. And thank you. Thank you for
It's my
participating and
pleasure.
being there. Okay, Sabrina, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company in like 10 or 10 minutes, please? Thank you.
Okay, yes, sure.
Okay.
Okay,
If you're ready,
firstly,
you can.
I would like to introduce you our company. We are a manufacturer of solar inverter and solar charge controller since 2010. Solar products, especially solar energy system, is included on-grid and off-grid. Where we are the manufacturer of off-grid solar products. Our company full name is Foshan Snat Energy Electrical Technology. And our brand is Snat Solar or Snat Energy. We have registered these two brands in 9 countries over the world, such as the Philippines, Africa, and some Middle East countries. And we are the manufacturer of off-grid solar inverter and PWM or MPPT solar charge controller and solar energy system. We have our own research and development technology team, average 15 years experience. And we do lots of OEM service since our factory founded. And now our factory have 3 workshops, more than 100 workers. And we have 2 warehouses about 4,000 square. We also have a new factory plant under construction. This new factory about 5 floors, each have 6,000 square. Now you can see this is our first workshop. This workshop has been used since our factory founded. You can see this our workers do assembling. This is our second workshop. In this workshop, we mainly do the high specification and high power of inverters, up to 2,200 kilowatts inverters. And this is our new workshop. This is automatically assembling product assembling line. And this is our new factory plant. It will start to production next year. This is a new factory. Since this factory starts production, our production ability will be 5 times than current workshops. What do we do? We do off-grid. You can see the off-grid solar power system is included solar panels and the solar charge controller to the battery and inverters. And also, if the system is big, it's also included the PV combiner box. Except in the complete solar power system, except the solar panels and battery, others like PV combiner box and the solar charge controller and the inverters all can be produced in our factory. What are our featured products? For inverters, we can produce since 300 watts. It's very small inverters to some low-income families, and up to 200 kilowatts, both of single phase or three phases. Because as you know, to build a solar power system, it's a little expensive. People may cost some money to invest the system, but they can save all the costs from the electricity. The inverter is a heart of among the complete solar power system. We do only the low frequency inverters with the transformer. It will be very strong loading ability, especially to the appliances with motor inside, such as the air conditioner, pump, or some big inductive appliances in factory. And also, we do the solar charger. What is solar charger? It's a solar charger. Get the power from solar panels and charge the battery. For solar charger, we have MPPT solar charge controller, and also we have PWM solar charge controller. MPPT solar charge controller is high efficiency, up to 97%. And but PWM solar charge controller is economical. Except this, sometimes people don't like to connect too much cables at home, so they can choose to the hybrid solar inverters. The hybrid solar inverter is combine inverter with charge controller together. We have the low frequency hybrid solar inverter with a strong transformer, especially the Toronto transformer. And also we have the high frequency. It's very popular in the market because of its low cost. And for high frequency solar inverter, some can be used without battery at the daytime. Maybe some people now is the lithium battery becoming more and more popular in the market. And not all the people know how to connect the complete solar system. So they prefer to the all-in-one solar energy systems. Next, you can see our featured products. The inverters. On the left one is inverter from 1 kilowatts up to 8 kilowatts. It's suited to the house applicants using. For a middle income family, usually it's a 5 kilowatts inverter can load the air conditioner, a 3 HP air conditioner, or some lights, a TV, and a refrigerator. Even a small, a very, very small pump. And the right is a single phase inverter. This inverter can use to the high voltage battery pack. We can see the picture is written 192 voltage. You can see it's 16 pieces 12 voltage battery connected in series. So it means this inverter can connect to lots of batteries to store the power. And at the right corner, it's a 3 phases inverter, 200 kilowatts. It's suited to a very big house or factory. And now we see the MPPT solar charge controller and the PWM solar charge controller. The left is the PWM solar charge controller. MPPT solar charge controller 48 voltage. This one we can do 30 ampere up to 60 ampere and even 100 ampere. 48 voltage now is becoming more and more popular than 60 ampere. And the right PWM solar charge controller for 48 voltage and 384 voltage. 384 voltage can be used to 32 pieces 12 voltage battery connected in series. So this one is used to a high specification solar energy system. And now we see the hybrid solar inverter. The left one is our hot cell low frequency MPPT hybrid solar inverter. This one can be monitoring the system by Wi-Fi or GPRS. This inverter is has the Toronto transformer inside. So its self power consumption only less than 1% watts. And the right hybrid solar inverter, the upper one is the high frequency. It can be used without battery at the daytime. And the down one is the PWM solar inverter. Now this one is very, very popular in the market. It's suited to the people who doesn't know how to connect the system. You can see this it's all-in-one, the inverter, battery, and the solar charger, all-in-one. Only need connecting solar panels. The left one is installed lithium battery. It can be supplied maximum 10 kilowatts hour with maximum inverter to 6 kilowatts, from 300 watts to 6 kilowatts. And the left and the right two are installed gel battery, but lithium battery is an option. Now we come to our showroom. You can see we do various the products from the DC solar energy kit to three phases inverters. And you can see our office and the assembling line in our testing desk. All of our products are certificated by CE and ISO. If some special certification required, we can also do for customers, depend on their customers' demand. And at the right corner, we can see a desk. It's a testing desk. Usually, our engineers will study the software here. In the past 6 years, we have been to Africa, Middle East, and North America. We went there to attend the exhibitions. We have been to Mexico and Tanzania, Kenya, Thailand, and Dubai. We have 4 fairs in China.
Wow,
Okay.
that's incredible, impressive.
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow, Sabrina, well done. From your introduction, I just know a full scan of your company. You are doing mainly focus on the off-grid solar power solution, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And your production line is quite of a plenty. And wow, because actually I was doing my research back to like 10 years ago. I used to do the solar power, and I'm doing the maximum power tracking, MPT. So it's quite familiar with your applications and your products. That's really good. So because there are 2 minutes left. So may I ask you some questions?
Yes.
Yeah, Sabrina, can I have you, because your customers, your products are sold outside overseas, and maybe the COVID-19 these 2 years, does it has some effects of your business?
I think it's very little.
Very little.
Because there are demands in the market, and all the suppliers are facing the same issue. And
Yes.
we not only our factory, and if the users and distributors can accept, and we can work together to face this problem and
Yes.
solve the issue. And the users also know and even the shipping cost increased too much to distributors, but it's to a whole container. And when we separated to each one, maybe only less, very small. I think so.
Wow, that's so good to hear from that, hear from you. Well done, and congratulations, because you have found your suitable markets, and you're focusing on the major and do all the professional products manufactured.
Yeah, because there are lots of areas facing the electricity shortage. Yes. They need the electricity. They need power. They need to supply power to their house. So if only if this the demand exists in the market, I think no need worry about it.
Yes, exactly. As long as the market's there, so don't worry about the demands. Yeah. The demand is always demanding. It's increasing. Yes. Thank you, Sabrina. Thank you for accompanying with us and the factory tour. Thank you for participating in this special event. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Have a good day, Sabrina. Thank you very much. Bye.